most of the Orientalists, they translate the word jihad as holy war. And unfortunately, many of the so-called Muslim scholars, inverted commas, even they translate jihad as holy war. Holy war, if you translate into Arabic, is harbun muqaddasa. If you read the Quran, nowhere in the Quran is the word harbun muqaddasa mentioned. And there is no hadith of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam where the word harbun muqaddasa is mentioned. This word holy war was first coined to describe the crusades done by the Christians. If you read history, several centuries ago, the Christian crusaders, they forced and killed tens of thousands of human beings in the name of Christianity. If you read history, the maximum number of human beings killed in the name of any religion, it is Christianity. And this they called it as the holy war. And today, they use it for the Arabic word jihad. Fundamentalist was first coined to describe the Christians. Today it is used for the Muslims. So jihad does not mean holy war. Jihad means to strive, to struggle.